Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was terrible. So guys, we're doing a jazz technique vlog today that is geared towards beginners. Before we start though, you want to definitely warm up, and you can go ahead and click on my warm-up video before you start watching this vlog. The class is going to be demonstrated by Miss Maya and Miss Becca, who are two of my company dancers. So we're really excited to dance for you guys today, and we hope you like it. Let's go. We went the wrong way. Alright guys, so now that you're warm, we're gonna go ahead and start off with our jazz walks. So jazz walks are a little bit sassier, they're meant to warm up your body. So you're just gonna start over here with one foot out, and you're gonna step, cross in front, and step, cross in front. Now you wanna move your hips. Hips, everyone, you wanna move your hips. And you also wanna move your shoulders. Not too much, but you don't wanna be stiff going across the floor. And there should be a slight bend in your knees. So we're walking a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And keeping your chin up nice and tall. So let's watch Maya and Becca go across the floor. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And 2, and 3, and 4. Beautiful, that was super nice. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. And 2, good. Nice guys, beautiful. Alright guys, so we're going to move into some simple turns, starting with our chaînés and our piqués. So, no matter what, you want to start with a nice pointed toe in the front and a nice third position. We're going to start with our chaînés, which we open, we close to the back, we open to the front, we close to the back. So those are your chaîné turns. Then you have your piqué turns, which are a little bit more complex, but the same start. Have a nice plie in that supporting leg. You're gonna step onto this outside leg and go up to a passe with a rotation. So we go up, tendu, and up, tendu. So what we're gonna do is combine those two turns into an across the floor combo. Chaîné, chaîné, piqué, piqué. Nice and slow. 6, 7, we go. Chaîné, chaîné, and piqué, and piqué. Okay, cool. Let's watch you guys go across the floor. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we go up, and 2, and piqué. Nice, chaînés up, and 2, and piqué, and up. Gorgeous. Okay, so something I forgot to say for the right side is that when you're turning in dance, you want to make sure you're spotting. And spotting is when you pick one focal point and whip your head around right back to that spot. So if Maya is doing her left side turn combo, she's gonna keep her eyes on Becca's hand. Now, when she does a chaîné, she's gonna whip her head around and go right back to that spot. Beautiful. So you probably won't have a friend on the other side with their hand out like this, but you can choose anything in the room that's stationary to look at the whole time. This will help you keep your balance and keep you from getting super dizzy. All right, let's do the left side, okay? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, and a 1. Good, shoulders down and up. Beautiful, and a 1, and 2, and up. Nice. So, just as a quick side note, you shouldn't be texting in class, friends. Okay guys, so we're going to our fun pirouettes. Now, there's many different ways to break into pirouettes, but we're gonna start with the chassé pas de bourrée prep. So we'll start in a nice first position. Our arms are gonna go out when we go on plie, okay? Our arms are now gonna come to first as we step back, side, front. When we step front, we're now in our pirouette prep, which is a nice bent front knee over your ankle, and a high releve in the back, and your arms are in an L. You wanna make sure your arms don't get behind you, and that you're not leaning forward or back, but you're nice and center. So let's show that one more time. Just the arms go out, first, T. One more time, we go out, first, T. Our legs are going chassé, back, side, parallel prep. Let's add the arms with the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the leg that has that releve in the back is gonna pop up to a passe balance. Now, your passe is attached to your knee. Your arms come to a nice round circle. Your chin is lifted, shoulders are down, and we're holding, okay? So, The combo we're gonna do across the floor is bum, 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 passe hold, plie, first position, out, dun, dun. I mess up the arms. Don't watch me, I'm just the teacher. So we're here, we go. 7 and out. First and beginning goes up, parallel and first and out, dun, dun, single, up, plie and first and out, dun, dun. If you want to try a double, you can, or stick with singles, or go to 8 turns wherever you are as a dancer. Let's try it, guys. 5, 6, 7, and chasse. Hold, up, parallel, and first chasse. Here's your single pirouette, up, beautiful, and out, chasse. Try your double, and the one. Gorgeous, one more time, and the double. Hey, overachiever! I know. We've been betrayed. Okay, let's do the left side.
Oh God, no.
That is such a dancer. Oh my God, that's 3 turns.
No, but these feel awkward. It's okay. Okay. I'm doing a single for now. Okay, single.
Alright guys, so now we're on the left side of the combo. So what you're gonna do is just reverse the feet, but we'll show you really fast before jumping into it. We're here, we go out, right foot steps back. Right, left, right. Your right foot's now in front, your left foot is relevé in the back, and your left arm is forward. Then we pop up to a left foot passe. Yeah, let's try it, here we go. Okay, don't forget to do what with your eyeballs?
What?
Spot, you guys. 5, 6, 7, and chasse. Passe, hold. Nice, use your plie, out. And single up. Good, and out. High passe. Again, and out. Squeeze your booty, and nice. Good job, guys. Alright, guys, so we're gonna move into some extension work. So we're gonna start with our battements. And these battements are rotating. So you'll do 2 to the front, 1 to the side with your belly button forward, and 1 to the back in your arabesque. So you want to start for your right side with your left foot back, arms in a T. You're going to go step, battement, step, battement, step, flip your belly button to the front, up, step, flip your belly button to the other side, brush through it first, arabesque, keep turning over your left shoulder. We'll start over. 2 to the front, left shoulder, left shoulder. Now, in between every single battement is a plie, because you don't want to come down on a straight leg. It's going to be super shocking to your kneecaps. So, bend in between. Let's show one more time. 6, 7, and bend, front, over your left shoulder, over your left shoulder, and bend. Front, your chin is lifted. Shoulders down. Good. Okay, let's do it for reals. And 5, 6, 7, 8, plie. And up. Good, to the side. And back. Nice, straight legs. Good. One more time, up. And up. Good. Beautiful, guys, that was great work. Okay, so we're gonna go straight back on the left side. So this time you would have your right foot back. Your arms are still in a T. Make sure your arms don't bounce with your plie and your kick. They're gonna want to, but keep them super lengthened and strong. Okay, here we go, left side. 5, 6, 7, and plie. Good, and side. And we're smiling, we love to dance, good. And side, and back, last time, plie. And 2, and 3. Good, nice. All right guys, so we're getting towards the end of our across the floors, and those usually end with your jumps, but before we go into our big leaps, we're gonna do the prepping step for the leap, which is your chasse. So again, starting with a nice pointed foot in the front, we're gonna keep our arms in first, and we're gonna go step together down. Step together, step together, step together. It's like a little gallop step. On your left side, it would just be the left foot forward. Step together, step. Ideally, your whole foot comes off the floor in a 5th position. So step 5th down. Okay? Let's just try that, guys. 5, 6, 7, and chassé. Good. You look like little ponies. Here we go. Let's try the left side. 5, 6, 7, and down. Beautiful, Isaac. Yes. Woo! Beautiful. All right, guys, so we're on to our very last step for our beginner series, and that is your chassé step leap. So you're gonna do your gallop step that you did before. Let's show them, guys. So we'll go chassé. Now, the in-between step is just one step of the leg. This back leg develops through, and you do a big leap with your arms up in a V. Now for jazz, usually arms are very strong, very straight, and you have blades with your hands, so you don't want to be like crunchy like this, but nice and lifted. So let's show the feet one more time. Right foot back, arms in first. We'll go step together, one big step, and then a big leap up there. So it's chassé, step, leap. Your arms are going chassé, step, leap. That's it. Chassé, step, leap. Let's try it. All right, 5, 6, 7, and chassé, step, leap, step, leap. So beautiful, nice. So for our left side, it's the same thing, but your left foot is now back. Your chassé goes with the left foot. You step with the right foot. Your left leg develops through, and you lift up into a gorgeous jeté. Okay, so our left foot is now back. Just a reminder, arms go from your circle to your feet. 5, 6, 7, and chassé, step, leap, step, leap, step, leap. So good! All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed our little class for you. Please keep an eye out for the progression of this follow along series. So we will have ballet, and we have jazz, and we have lyrical/contemporary. For beginners, we will have intermediate, and we will have advanced. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next week.